Good morning. This is Jeremy with Prop Traders, and this is the opening market report for Monday, June 6th. A little bit about Prop Traders. We're looking for traders, and any trader can come and take part in a tariff. Basically, what that is you basically get at least 30 days to earn a certain number. Basically, earn a funded account, and you can choose what level you want to trade at. You can choose a 3-lot account. You can choose a 5-lot account, 10-lot account, or a 15-lot account. And each of those are a different price level. You just pay that price, sign up, pay a one-time fee that's refundable as long as you follow the rules for the tariff. And basically, for the 3-lot tariff, you can lose no more than $500 each day. Your profit target over the month is $1,500. You have to trade at least 10 days, and you can't hold a position through clearing. So pretty easy to do. So we'll get right into that. The market news today. Oil popped this morning, and that's kind of bringing the rest of the markets up here. I was looking for news on what was happening with oil. The only thing I could find was maybe a couple of different oil companies said they were going to increase production. So I'm not really sure why oil is popping this morning. The big news for today is actually happening this afternoon. Is Janet, Chairwoman Janet Yellen speaks, I believe, at 12:30 Eastern time. And I'm not sure exactly what the situation is going to be, what the context is. We'll see here. Anyway, she says she's going to speak as these are the following days here, but again, on June 15th, this is a big one here again, but going to speak today. They think she's going to talk about the poor jobs numbers that happened on Friday. Because if we look at the economic calendar here, oh, sorry, computer's running a little slow here. Anyway, we'll just get into the markets here. We'll look at the ES first. It's popping a little bit today. Was pretty steady at the beginning. The value area high that we're going to be looking at here is 2099. So I believe we're already outside of value area currently, and the point of control is 2099. Value area low is 2089. So we'll look for maybe some resistance coming in here at 2105. We'll see if we can get some resistance here. But it doesn't look like it. It looks like we have a pretty strong opening here. I think with oil kind of being up, that's kind of, like I said, synchronizing with the oil. But again, my feeling is that the oil pop is short term here. It's not going to get above, I don't think it's going to get above 50 over the next couple of weeks. And we're just going to have some consolidation here, some volatility in this range that we've kind of had over the past pretty much month time frame. But again, I think we'll see if the oil can get above maybe the ES S&P futures can get above 2112. Might see some resistance there. Might see some resistance at 2123. There's a big ranges after that, but if we get it down, if we start selling off here, we'll see some resistance support at the pivot point, which is 2093. and some more support at 2086. So the pivot points right here, maybe about 2095. We should see some support there. About 2086 after that for maybe a buy after that. But again, you're just going to look for, in my opinion, short-term trades because we're going to have volatility going back and forth. Pretty good fight between the bulls and the bears right now. No consistent trend that I'm seeing up or down over the long-term period. Let's look at oil here. Again, oil popped this morning. Hasn't really done anything since. So I think it's up 2% so far today. So we'll see if we can hold that level. And let's look at the NQs here. Again, all the markets are pretty strong today. So NQ is popping up to 50.27 here, where again we're above value area. We might see some resistance around 45.28. Again, we're right at R1 for both the ES and the NQ NASDAQ futures. No big earnings news this week. It looks like for the next couple of days. We'll keep our eye on things. Looking at the calendar here. Again, the thing that happened the other day was the poor jobs report. Again, here's the earnings calendar. No big earnings this week for the next couple of days at least. We'll look at Wednesday here. Yeah, Lululemon might be exciting if you're trading that individual equity, but it's not going to affect the market that much as a whole. Again, no huge companies that are reporting in the next few days here. So again, we'll see if we can get some sustained momentum here. Again, we're looking at resistance here in the NQs right now, and it will be interesting to see if we can get over that 40.28 here. That's actually R1, and doesn't look like it's doing too good of a job of it right now. So again, my feeling is you'll look to maybe it'll probably kind of stay in this range here. I don't think it's going to actually do much until Yellen speaks this afternoon. Then we may see some fireworks depending on what she says. I doubt she says anything relevant, but we'll see. But again, just kind of trading above the average here this morning. Not much going on. Again, I would probably look to have this market maybe look for a nice short after Yellen speaks this afternoon if she says something crazy. So I would kind of keep my cards to my chest until after she speaks this afternoon. We'll talk to you after the markets close.